Welcome back to Learn JavaScript on Codecademy. We're in the Objects section. This is creating object literals. Objects can be assigned to variables just like any JavaScript type. We use curly braces to designate an object literal. Here we have let spaceship be assigned this empty object. We fill an object with unordered data. This data is organized into key value pairs. A key is like a variable name that points to a location in memory that holds a value. A key's value can be of any data type in the language, including functions or other objects. We make a key value pair by writing the key's name or identifier followed by a colon and then the value. We separate each key value pair in an object literal with a comma. Keys are strings, but when we have a key that does not have any special characters in it, JavaScript allows us to omit the quotation marks. Here we have let spaceship be assigned a key of field type and a value of diesel, a key of color and a value of silver. An object literal with two key value pairs. We have let spaceship be assigned this object with key field type diesel and key color and color silver. The spaceship object has two properties, field type and color. Field type has quotation marks because it contains a space character. Let's make some objects. Our instructions say the spaceship we have so far looks good, but unfortunately is not very fast at hyperspeed travel due to having an inferior fuel source. Make a new spaceship object named faster ship with the same color as spaceship, but with a fuel type equal to turbo fuel. Let's do that here. Let's run it, and we do pass. And what we're learning here is basically how to create an object literal. Here we did create an object called faster ship, and it has a key fuel type with the value turbo fuel and a key color with the value silver. The important thing we're learning here is a key is like a variable name that points to a location in memory that holds that value. If you guys are getting that, you guys are getting this lesson, and I'll see you in the next one.